Hello friends, peace be upon you all. I have come with 3 actions for you. The download link is in the description. I will not tell you by playing all 3 actions. I will tell about only one action. And it's ProArt action. For this, the image has to be ready. Image should be 3000 by 2000. Resolution is 72 pixels/inch. If the image is small, you can crop it to make it bigger. If this model is not in the middle, we will crop it. And we'll center the image. And so we'll crop here. It is important that width of image is 3000, and the height is 2000. And, after that the model has to be selected. Go to Select, Subject. After selecting the model, create a blank layer. It is important that name of this layer is Paint in lowercase. That is, caps should not be locked. Layer name must be Paint. After that, Paint Bucket tool will be taken. And we'll fill it with any bright color. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. And hide the blank layer named Paint. Special brushes are required for this action. I have loaded those brushes here, as mentioned in previous tutorials. How to load brushes or actions. Click on the gear icon, and click on Import Brushes. And click on the box with lines for action, and click on Load Action. Now activate Play Me to play this action. You will see that it will create layers as well as arrange them into groups. As soon as the action is completed, this message will appear, and you have to click on Stop. If this effect is also on the face, then take a soft round brush and groups of adjustments in the Layers panel. Among them is a group of top brushes. By selecting its mask, you can remove that effect from the face with the brush. Change blend mode to overlay for this group. See the difference by enabling and disabling the group. It has a texture layer. If you want to apply texture, enable the layer. And if you don't want to apply, leave the layer disabled. There is Adjustments group. Colors group that allows you to convert image to single color. If you want to do it, or not. It has 3 effects, one of which you are looking at. The second effect will be colorless, that is, the image will be black and white. And the third effect will make you look something like this. So I would prefer effect 3. This is the group with brush strokes on the background. And through this ProArt action can make the up image interesting in this way. Use this action and add beauty to your images. Other actions, I will show you by playing, only the resolution should be their same. So, I delete those groups from here. Make the painted layer active, but remains hidden. And then play Pop Art action. And so this image converted into pop art. Keep the top layers blend mode, lighten. And then this image will look something like this. So this is pop art action. Also, if you want to give a single color image, you can give it. You can change the vector color up, if you want. I delete these groups, from here. And now the third action is photo tracer. Let's play this action, and see the result. And this is the third action, photo tracer. In this too, you have 3 different effects. So, which effect to use for up tracer? Also, if the blend mode of the top layer is lighten, you will know very well what tracing does. It also has groups of adjustments and 10 colors. All these 3 actions can be downloaded for free. The link is in description. Download and enjoy. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.